Okay, hi guys, and welcome to the show. First off, I just want to apologize for my raspy, kind of sexy voice. Just kind of getting over a cold, so keep that in mind. Today we're going to be unboxing my newest acquisition. It's a watch that was sent in by one of my viewers. But before we do that, I got to do my customary wrist check. So today I'm doing a triple Eisenhower, as you can see. And I've got here on my left wrist, I've got my Tissot Viso date. And then I've got another watch that I haven't worn in absolute shrimp's years. It's my Victorinox field watch, and I've got that on a nylon silverfoot strap. And on my right wrist here, I got my Swatchy, my old blue Swatchy. Okay, so before we change respectives and do the unboxing, let's roll the intro. Alright, welcome back guys. So I've got my parcel. This was mailed in. It was a gift from one of my viewers. So thanks a lot. Shout out to you. I won't name you for privacy reasons, but thank you. So let's get into the unpackaging here. So, alright, there it is, there it is. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Okay, so you can see from the package basically what's going to be inside. It's no longer a surprise, but anyway, let's give a little drum roll anyway. And here we go. Okay. Oh. Alright, so I've got, of course, my 100-year anniversary Swiss Army officer's knife here. Just cut the tape there. And here we go. There it is, there it is. Alright, alright. There we go. So I'll just put it on an angle so you can see the full length of that. Yeah, so this is the new watch. This is the SpongeBob SquarePants Plankton version. Now these were actually produced in association with Burger King, which is a company that I highly, highly respect. And you wouldn't normally associate this company with horology, but in the early 2000s when SpongeBob was popular, they made a series of these watches. I have the Plankton one here. There was also Squidward. I'm sure SpongeBob himself was on there. Yeah, so SpongeBob and Friends, Patrick, SpongeBob, Squidward, and Plankton. So 5 separate watches were in this series. Very high quality, I might add. Actually, first, why don't we just get the dimensions out of the way. So, lug width here, 20 millimeters. Diameter. Of course, this is a rectangular watch, so wears a bit differently than your standard round one. So crosswise, it's about 42 millimeters, and top to bottom, vertically, we got about 36. So now that we've got the dimensions out of the way, let's take a closer look. So you'll obviously see the resemblance to the JLC Reverso. I wouldn't go so far as call it an homage, but there is definitely, I would say, a nod to them and their great history, JLC. So as you can see, like the reverso, the actual face here spins around. So there's the one side you can have, it's just the plankton's face there. And on this side would be the LCD display. Now I haven't wound this yet, so it's not keeping the time just yet. So an interesting thing about this particular watch is not only does the face itself reverse, but also the strap. It can be worn on both sides. So it's almost like a double reverso, if you will. So you can either wear it this side, the more muted tones here, and then on this side, if you're feeling a little bit more edgy, you can go with the brighter motif on this side. So why don't we put it on the wrist and see how it wears. Alright, so there we are. As you can see, I'm wearing it with the more muted strap facing outwards. Yeah, as you can see, it's not too big, it's not too small. It's kind of perfectly suited for my slender wrist. As you know, I have quite small wrists, but suits it perfectly. Aesthetically pleasing, nice proportions compared to my hand, and of course goes nicely with my green shirt here. So let's flip it around again and see how it looks with the more vibrant side of the strap showing. And there we are again. So this time I have the face showing, and as you can see, it's a bit more vibrant, the colors on the strap on this side. So that's the first look at my vintage Burger King X SpongeBob watch from the early 2000s. I just wanted to give you kind of a quick look. Stay tuned, I'm going to be doing a full review. So that's it for now. Let's go back into the studio. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, click subscribe, and we'll see you next week.